Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Very good. All prepared, all set to come to school?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, my mother is not allowed to come to school. Ma'am,
How many of you
Then
are
I will
coming?
Ma'am, my mother too.
What?
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm saying my mother too.
Okay.
Here,
My mother 3.
My mother 3.
3.
You said 2, so I said 3.
Okay. Very nice. So nobody's parents are allowing.
Ma'am, it is 300, not 200. So it's for yes.
Ma'am, what are we discussing?
I'm asking how many of you are ready to go to school? All set to go to school. So children are saying no, their parents are not.
I am.
Oh, Neha Gangar
am.
is ready. Very nice.
Everyone
Going to from 7C.
Mommy, she sent the consent letter too.
Okay, all of you open the cameras.
Only Neha sent the consent letter from our class.
Why, Neha? Are you tired of sitting at home? You want to go back to school, huh?
Mama, I'm not tired of sitting at home.
Ma'am, I want to meet my friends and new teachers.
New teachers. So how many new teachers are there? I don't think there is any new teacher.
Ma'am, ma'am, Rashmi ma'am is new teacher.
Yes.
Ma'am, I never met her again.
Rashmi ma'am
I want to
is
meet
new.
Pooja ma'am is also. Pooja ma'am.
I met her in February. Like when we were coming to school, I already met.
Yes.
Pooja ma'am is not new.
All right. Okay, so what was the last thing that we did?
We were
Reading of
We have done the
song.
chapter number.
We have started. Okay. La famille de Manuel. We have read the entire chapter.
No, ma'am.
No, we haven't.
We were translating the paragraph.
Ma'am, there is a
Okay, so today we are supposed to do the reading. All right, I'll not take out my book today. Let me see how much I can understand if you read. Okay, because I have read the chapter. Yes, without my book, I'll be teaching you today. Yes?
Ma'am, in the meeting, ma'am, some unknown was joined, and ma'am, then yes.
Okay. Who will take out the? Who will start reading? Let's start with. Who was the first one to join the class? I think Punita Chawla. Yes.
Ma'am, in the previous meeting, I joined first.
You joined first. Okay, let's have now Punita start reading from the beginning.
Ma'am, Punita should start because girls first.
All the logics are there. Punita, I can't hear you.
Mon grandparents appelé me Charles Lavikin.
From the beginning. Leçon 8. Like that. From the beginning.
Okay. Okay. Leçon 8. La famille de Manuel. She is la photo de ma famille. Mon grand-père
C'est la photo de ma famille.
C'est la photo de ma famille. Mon grand-père s'est appelé mais Charles Lavin. Il est santé, dit, il est santé, dit, il est santé, dit.
Il a 77 ans.
decent.
He's 77 years old. So what are we going to say? Il a 77 ans. Okay. And what is the first line? What is the first line?
My grandparents
grand-
call himself Charles Lavin.
Mon grand-père s'appelle. Repeat after me. Mon grand-père s'appelle
Parents
Monsieur
s'appelle
Charles Lavin.
Monsieur Charles Lavin.
Charles Lavin.
Very nice. Then next.
Il parle 4 langues.
Il parle 4 langues. Il parle 4 langues.
Il parle 4 langues. It is adorable.
Okay.
My grandmother said apple.
Okay, that's all.
Therefore-
Beta, that's all. That's all. Now, Kavya, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Mon grand-père s'appelle Mem Frances Lavishne. Elle a 7
Chapter 7.
Ma grand-mère s'appelle
Mem Francois Lavin.
Madame Françoise Lavigne.
Madame
Elle a
Françoise
70 ans. Elle a 70 ans. Then,
Lavin. Elle aime la musique. Elle est sympathique.
okay, very nice. Elle aime la musique. It's not il, beta, elle. Elle aime la musique. Elle est sympathique. Very good. Next line, Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Lavigne. Il a
What is the number? Tell me.
Ma'am, the translation we have to write them in a notebook. Ma'am, full translation paragraph.
What you're saying? You have to write what in your notebook?
Ma'am, the paragraph is
No, you have written the translation in the book.
yes, ma'am, I have written.
Bas, that's fine, beta. Need not write.
il a 40 ans. Il
Il a 40 ans.
il a 40 ans. Il aime le football. Il est
Very good.
très intelligent. Ma mère s'appelle. What is it after s'appelle?
Let me open my book. Ma mère s'appelle.
Madame.
S'appelle, it's s'appelle. Ma mère s'appelle.
Appelle, même après s'appelle.
Wait, beta, wait. Okay. It is Madame. Ma mère
Madame.
s'appelle Madame.
Madame Véronique Curie Lavigne.
Very good. Then Ella.
Elle a 40
Caron, not Coronte, it's Caron.
40 ans. Elle aime le
Le théâtre.
théâtre. Elle est jolie.
Elle est jolie. She is pretty. Very nice.
Jolie.
Arshia, your turn now.
Yes, ma'am. Mon frère s'appelle Danis Lavigne. Il a, ma'am, what do we call 16?
Says. I'll write the chat box. SEIZE.
our book also.
Saves. Yes. Ila
Please
saves.
Il a saves on il aim la rugby il e bu
Il est beau.
il est beau
Yes.
ma saw what is this?
Ma sœur. Ma sœur.
Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine Lavigne. Il a
8 ans. Il a 8 ans.
il a 8 ans. Il aime la glance.
Better not il, L. If you say il,
Elle.
it is going to be he. Elle aime la glace.
Elle aime la glance. Elle est petite.
Elle est petite.
Petite.
Yes.
It tie mo ave mes grands-parents.
Okay. Et c'est moi avec mes grands-parents. Et c'est moi. And this is what is moi? Et c'est moi.
My. Mama.
This is me.
My.
This is me.
Ma'am,
No, my is mo. My is mo and ma. What is me? Me is moi.
Moi.
Mama, I have learned this.
You have learned what, Risha?
Can believe
A while ago.
the pronunciation of theater in French.
Okay. Now we have, see, there's a difference.
Ma'am, can we write this too?
Have you not written it already? Last week I made you write the whole translation, isn't it?
Okay.
What is my? My in French.
Mama.
Translation of my.
Sorry, my, ma,
Mama. And
Ma,
moon,
mo, and one more.
moi.
moi,
May. Last time also, children, I told you.
me,
May. Which means meri, mera, and mere. Right? मेरी
Okay.
मम्मी मेरे
जी, ma'am.
सॉरी मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरा भाई दिस इज द डिफरेंस
Okay.
जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं वैसे फ्रेंच में डिफरेंस है
Use for friends and more we will use for youngers. Me we
नो
will use for
नॉट फॉर यंगर्स बेटा नो लिसन अगर आपको बोलना है माय फादर सो यू आर गोइंग टू पुट मोर बिफोर इट व्हाई बिकॉज़ फादर इज व्हाट मैस्कुलिन जेंडर
Okay.
If you have to say my mother, you will say ma mère.
And last
if-
it is me.
If you want to say
Yes.
anything for plural, like mere friends, mere parents, mere family members, we will use MES. This is used for plural. Write it in your copies.
1 second. Copy.
Mama wrote it. Mom, can I show in the camera?
Yes. And what is me? Me is moi. It is me. Whether a boy will say it's me or a girl is going to say it's me, we are going to put moi only. Say moi.
Mom, see this?
What?
You see this?
Yes, I can see this. Good. Okay, done. Then, now the exercise right under this passage is read K-U-Fo. D tre u fo. Do it. Hurry up and do this exercise on your own.
Ma'am, Y is true and fox is false.
Yes. Re means true and fo means false.
Okay. Ma'am, I have done.
All of you
Well
have
done.
done D tre u fo.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C, I have done.
Everyone has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first one. Le père de Patrick a 67 ans.
Ma'am, false.
False. Why?
False.
Because 67
False.
comes 67, but he is 77 years.
77 years.
Then, le fille de Charles aime le football. Le fille de Charles. What is fille?
Right.
Fille.
Ma'am, false.
Listen.
Fox.
Ma'am, false.
Okay, who is Charles?
Ma'am,
The
Ma'am, Charles is his grandparent.
Grandparent.
Grandfather.
That is a
Grandfather.
grandmother.
Okay, so now what is the meaning of le fille? F-I-L-S means son. S-O-N son. Yes, it is true.
Son of
The son of
Charles.
Charles likes football, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, because Patrick is the son of Charles and he likes football.
Yes. Then, la grand-mère de Denis aime le théâtre. La grand-mère de Denis. Now, who is Denis? Denis is the brother of.
My
Yes.
brother.
Fo.
Grandmother.
It is fo, not fox. We don't call it fox. We call it fo.
Four.
Why? Because the mother likes it, not the grandmother.
Okay. It is.
Then the next one, le frère de Catherine. No, sorry. Elle a 70 ans.
Ma'am,
What are we talking about? The grandmother. Grandmother is 70 ans.
ma'am, it is viral.
It is
True.
Ray. Yes, it is Ray. She is, what age? She is 70 years old.
Okay.
Then the next one. Le frère de Catherine s'appelle Denis. Is it?
False. Fox.
Ma'am, it is fox.
Who is the brother of Denis? Le frère de
Ma'am,
Le frère de Catherine. Of course, it is Ray. Who is saying it's four? This line means the brother of Catherine calls himself Dennis. The brother of Catherine.
Ma'am,
Beta.
ma'am, four,
Four ray, four ray ray. Four ray,
Okay.
four ray ray. Okay.
so ma'am,
Yes.
it is, ma'am, it is, excuse me,
What beta?
it is, this is fox.
Which one is four?
Fifth, last one.
Le frère de Catherine. Okay. Il est beau. Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine. Why it is four? Tell me. Why it is four?
Ma'am, listen to the answer. Why it is fox? This is more fairies happy they lavi. So it means the brother of Dennis Lavik.
What it means, tell me, what does the sentence mean?
It means lesser they can be appeal them. It is where I not
Yes, it is Rayon. It is true only.
yes.
Because it says the brother of Catherine is Dennis. And that's right.
Yes, ma'am. So this is right where I am.
Yes. Now everybody take out your copies.
Ma'am, taken out.
Write
Ma'am, already
questions
taken
given on page number 80. Write down the first question.
You have to write this exercise in notebook.
Better write down this question in your copy.
Question.
Comment s'appelle le père de Manuel? Quel âge a-t-il? Write it down and then we'll discuss it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written down the first question. Ma'am, कौन सा पैर? Ma'am, le père de Manuel. Quel âge a-t-il? Ma'am, I have written this.
And what is
Ma'am?
the meaning of the last word?
Okay, I will tell you what it means.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, you know there is a ghost in this page.
What beta, Sarthak? Loudly.
Ma'am, there is a ghost in this page. Ma'am, go to the late grandparents' photo.
What?
Ma'am, you know in this there is a ghost.
Why? Where is the ghost? Tell me.
Ma'am, in grandfather's ma'am photo, ma'am, there is a hand.
In grandfather's photo.
Because
Yes.
ma'am, that picture is taken from the photo. That's ma'am, you can
Yes.
see in the family photo also there is a hand.
Le fille. Okay, listen to me. Le fille de Charles. Say le fille de Charles. Now what am I saying? Tell me. Say le fille de Charles.
Ma'am, can you open the camera?
Open the camera. My camera is already open. Beta.
Ma'am, the upper board is not visible.
Now it's visible.
Ma'am, what is the answer for the
Yes,
first question?
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Now first you all tell me what I'm saying. When he says it is it is, yes, Hassan, very good. But I didn't use the word papa. Did I use papa?
No, ma'am.
Say
Grandparents.
le fino.
Ma'am, it is the end of Denny.
Say le fille de
No.
Charles. It is the son of Charles.
This
I'm
is not
saying this. What is le fille?
le pere.
Le fille, F-I-L-S. Le fille. I am not saying, see now here comes the difference. If I say la fille, I mean the girl. If I say le fille, I mean the son. And what did I say?
Okay.
I said, say le fille de Charles. It is the son of Charles. After seeing the hand. Okay?
Okay.
Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now see what you're asking me. You're asking me what is the meaning of what is written in the end of the question. Now, if I want to say about age, like L.A. Vuitton, what is her age? Right? This question means what is her age? Now, L.A. she has. In English also, what do we do? If I want to ask, if I say she is fine, how will I frame a question? Is she fine?
She fine.
Is she fine? What do? We reverse, we inverse the position of these words to frame it into a question. Isn't it?
Yes.
So in French also it is done in the same way. She is 8 years. Now what is her age? What is her age? So quel stands for what? Quel also means which, but in this question it means her. Now what age is she? Quel âge a? And then they are talking about the boy. Okay, quel âge a-il? L-A becomes a and
Ma'am,
a-il. Now what happens is whenever we have something like this, we put a T in between to give it a sound, because quel âge a-il is nothing. A-il no. Quel âge a-t-il? We add T to it. It's
Quel âge?
easy rule. Okay.
so ma'am, the answer is
Now you will tell me the answer. All of you write. Those who know the answer, write it in the chat box. Children, don't just write the age. I want you to write the whole answer in the chat box. Comment s'appelle le père de Manuel? So, what? Sorry. How does the father of Manuel calls himself? Now, the father of Manuel calls himself dash dash dash. This is the complete answer and the correct answer. Le père de Manuel s'appelle. Half of the answer is picked from the question itself.
ma'am, le père de Manuel,
De Manuel, very good.
de Manuel.
Yes. Le père de Manuel s'appelle. Now tell me, what is the name of his father?
Ma'am, Manuel's father.
Yes. What is the question saying?
Okay.
How does the father of Manuel calls himself?
Ma'am, Patrick.
Ma'am, le père de Manuel s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Larkin.
Yes, ma'am. Is it correct?
The answer will be Le père de Manuel s'appelle. This is the beginning. And what's his name? His name is Patrick. Monsieur Patrick Lavigne. Very nice. Write it down. Very good, Costo. Le père de Manuel. Beta, not appel, s'appelle.
Ma'am, I have sent my answer in chat box.
Le Père de Manuel s'appelle. Very good. Satvik, very good. Neha Gangwar, Le Père de Manuel s'appelle. Very nice, Neha. Correct. And Kaustubh, you know what your answer means? This answer means that the father of Manuel is calling Monsieur Patrick. It means this. So we don't want to say that he's calling someone. What he does, he calls himself. His name is Patrick. So to call himself, we will put S apostrophe in between. That is very important. See, look, everybody look here on the board. If I say j'appelle Neha. Okay. And if I say je m'appelle Neha, what is the difference? What is the difference? The difference is I call Neha. I can call any Neha. I can call Neha Gangwar. I can call Neha Rajpal. I can call Neha Jain. I'm calling somebody. Like, listen to me, or I'm giving her a phone call. I call. But when I say je m'appelle Neha, that means I call myself Neha. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is important to put S apostrophe to let
Ma'am.
someone know his name.
In this situation, you could ask
What?
Zappel.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I also said. Hassan, you first ask.
Same to you.
Pehle aap. Hurry up and ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've sent the answer in the chat box. Ma'am, I have to write that only, or I have to write more?
Okay, then the second part of this answer. Who will answer the second part? What is the second part?
Ma'am, the age of
Jatil.
Ma'am, il
Very good. Ila.
cannot be seen.
ma'am,
Very
a
good. Ila Caron Sancons.
is not.
Ila Caron
Ma'am,
Sancons.
of
Ma'am, we will write number name or number.
ma'am, can we write?
You can write anything, beta. Il a Caron Sancons. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll write. Ma'am, can we do full stop after
Yes,
first
of
part?
course, beta. Of course, we will put a full stop. Okay, then let's just do the second question and then you will do both of them in your copy. Let's discuss it. Décrivez la sœur de Manuel, which means describe the sister of Manuel. Now, how are you going to describe the sister of Manuel? Yes.
Ma'am, we will hold the name.
Last sir, the Manuel s'appelle Catherine Lavigne.
Very good.
L with M Laglaise. L.S. Pati.
Very nice. You will tell her age, you will tell what she likes and how she is. 3 points. Because these 3 points are only given here.
We will tell the name also.
See, what is the question? Décrivez la sœur de Manuel. So, describe the sister of Manuel. Now, how will you describe? The sister of Manuel calls herself la sœur de Manuel s'appelle. Now, what's her name? What's her name? Catherine Lavigne. From here, this is how you will begin your answer. La sœur de Manuel s'appelle.
Catherine.
Sorry, s'appelle Catherine Lavigne. Then elle a and her age and what she likes and how she looks. Now, whatever time is left in these 5 minutes, do both the questions in your copy.
Ma'am,
Please,
Yes, beta, say.
ma'am, every time I see one more children
to tell
also
this
say,
is big or small.
What, big or small?
Ma'am, it means in this paragraph written ill is petite. So we will write this line also.
Yes,
Petite.
we'll write this line also. Elle est petite. Because they are telling na, describe her. So whatever you know about her, you will put in the description.
Ma'am, till here.
Yes, still here.
I have done all the questions in my copy. You can see.
Okay, very nice, beta, very good. Other students also, hurry up and do it.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
but I
can you
have done mistake. First, I'll write all the 2 questions, then all answers.
Okay.
I'm done.
Everyone
Ma'am,
have done.
ma'am, can you tell the translation of second question in English?
Okay, better. The second question is describe the sister of Manuel. Décrire means to describe.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, from where to where we have to write in the second question?
What, beta?
From where to where we have to write the second question?
You have to write from here. La sœur de Manuel s'appelle Catherine Lavigne. Then till elle est petite. Till elle est petite. You will write Ella 8 ans. She is 8 years. Elle aime la glace. And elle est petite. All of you have done it? Hassan, Kaveh, everyone?
Doing.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I have written.
Satvik, Arshia, Neha Ganga.
Ma'am, excuse
Yes,
me.
ma'am,
Yes,
done.
ma'am, done.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, that exercise when we have read the paragraph, where are your books? We have to do it in copy.
No, beta. That is to be done in the book.
Okay. Book.
Ma'am, that's brave for
No, beta, in the book only. Dit, re, ufo is to be done in the book.
I'm already sent you in the chat box. Please
Okay.
see.
Yes, yes. Now I'm reading it. All right, children. Now the class is getting over.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye to all of you.